Hey there. Uh, welcome to Comfort Monitor Live. I'm Andy. I thought I'd just do hopefully a quick video of showing where I'm at with Comfort Monitor Live. I realised that I had a potential customer checking with me, and I've been talking with you individually, but I've not been putting any content out at all or any updates as to what I'm working on and what I'm like, how things are progressing. So this is a quick video to show you existing features, both basic and pro features, and then what I'm working on currently. So what we're looking at right now is my local version of Comfort Monitor Live. Yeah, this is kind of advanced. Well, it's not live yet. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick uh, show you around, a quick recap for if you've not explored everything. So what we've got up here is service types. This is pulled in from my local church. So we've got 4 different service types, which actually represent different locations or times of the week. And then down here is a list of services. So we can change them, and you can see the update we're pulling from Planning Center. Over here, you can launch. Yeah, this is a little sneak preview. It's a little bit broken, but it's a sneak preview of something I'm working on. A sneak preview of something I'm working on. I don't have a drink in front of me. My mouth is dry. Here you can access the plan itself in Planning Center. And then if we go to down here, you've got your profile, it tells you what plan you're on. You can update your details and your default service type. You can log out if you want to. You've got a GDPR request, and again, the version of the Chrome extension. I've got a fly flying around annoying me. Anyway, this is very ad hoc, as you can see. So yeah, first pro feature. So this is all basic, and you can launch it, and you get the default layout. What you saw was not the default layout. The first pro feature that I shipped this last year is the display layout. So currently I've got 2 displays hooked up to my laptop. I've got the primary one, which we're recording from, and then I've got one over on this side of the screen. So what you do, if I select this update, and then if I go to launch a service, you won't see it because I'm not recording that screen. But over here, it's launched. I'll close it again. And then if I go to here, I can then switch back. So if you didn't have this, there we go. So this is the first pro feature I shipped, and it's to save you button clicks, because otherwise it just launches on the default screen and you have to drag it around, and it's a bit of a hassle. So this is kind of just a quick time saver. And yeah, any feedback on any of this, drop me an email. As I say, it's there. Like, yeah, the email for is here. You can drop me questions or any feedback anytime. It's Andy at comfortmonitor.live, and it's on the website as well. Here is a little sneak preview of what I'm working on right now. So I'm working on the layout designer. So I've got so here we can select a layout. So you've got the default one, which is currently shipped, and then I've added some new default options again. So you've got clock, timer and clock, now and next. So if we click now and next, and then if I go to launch it, you'll see that you've got now and next. It's no timers, no clocks. So that's, let me go back to the layout designer. So that's that. And then you'll see here are a load of ones that I've been testing of actual custom layouts. So we can do this if we do demo again. Oh, something, there we go. And then you can create a layout. So that's it created, and then you can edit the layout. And I'm still working on the design of this, but functionally it works for the most part. There's a few bugs, which will be ironed out before release. And here are the 4 basic blocks. There will be more that I'm adding. I'm going to add a blank. You've asked for notes. You've asked for chat. To be clear, if I just drop over here, this is the normal layout that you see with Planning Center Services Live. That's such a mouthful. But yeah, I should be able to pull pretty much anything onto the Comfort Monitor Live from here. So if you've got a request for something, then let me know and I should be able to do it. But yeah, the idea here is you can drag if I do next and now, there you go. Kind of that's the start of it. And if I, again, there's a little bug here because I can't drag down here, but I need to, there we go. Say that's it. And then if we select demo again, that's now the active layout. And go to launch, and it will look a bit messed up because it needs to be a 16 by 6, a 4x4 grid, 16 grids, 16 squares total. Which, yeah, again, this will be like little changes I make. But yeah, that's the layout designer. There's tweaks and there's improvements to make and more blocks to add, but at its core, it's pretty much ready. A few more evenings working on it, and hopefully we'll have it shipped. That'll be a few weeks. I only get to work on this one day a week, in amongst other commitments I have. I just want to quickly talk through the other two features that kind of are sneak previews that have been here sitting for ages. So service timings, that's going to give us the ability to, for each item in a service, you've got this countdown choice of like full item length, end item on time, end service on time. And it will give you the choice to toggle between those, one item at a time. So I'm going to load it. You're going to select plan and then load out what you want. Something along those lines. I haven't designed this completely yet. So your feedback when building this out, I'm going to ask for that later once I've shipped Layout Designer, because this will be probably the next thing coming. But the idea that, you can customize how the countdown operates and also probably what color the countdown is, or customize some of the styling maybe. So I'm thinking if there's like less than 30 seconds left on a particular item, it changes yellow and then to red. Currently, Planning Center can then do white to red, but I have more control. Well, I've got quite a lot of control when I built the Layout Designer. And then finally, service controls is again mirroring like the previous next inside Comfort Monitor Live, so that, and I might even do that on this page, so this might drop, but it's that idea of, I think, controlling who's in control and kind of having it all in one place, so you're not having to switch between too many tabs when running a service. That's pretty much everything. I'm always open to feedback. Some of you have provided ideas, which is interesting. I'm not promising I'm going to develop all of them. But yeah, any other feedback, any ideas, any questions, get in touch. Andy at comfortmonitor.live. And yeah, there you go. There's the, if I zoom in, there's the email address. But yeah, this is Comfort Monitor Live, and yeah, this is the latest. I really hope to ship Layout Designer soon. It's as I say, it's a part-time project for me, and so I'm working one day a week. I'm going to stop rambling now. It's late. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you found it informative. And I will speak to you next time, or show you. I'll probably do another video once Layout Designer is live and with all the bells and whistles, because there's certainly going to be some extra bits to do notes correctly. There's going to be some extra features in there. Anyway, speak to you soon, and that's all. Cheers. Bye.